On the morning of April 20th, Hucheng Technologies' Trenchless Equipment Industrial Park held a grand roll-off ceremony, marking the successful roll-off of the Hucheng No. 1 Shield TBM. Numerous industry leaders and guests attended the event to witness this significant moment. The Hucheng No. 1 Shield TBM, with a tunneling diameter of 3.82 meters and a total machine length of 65 meters, will undertake the Shield Stage excavation task for the Hucheng Second Sewage Relocation East Line Pipeline Construction Project. The total length of this project is 2,232 meters, primarily traversing composite strata, including hard rock, fractured ground, and clay, with complex construction conditions and many tunneling control factors. This places extremely high demands on the reliability of the Shield TBM. To meet these stringent requirements, Hucheng Technologies' R&D team, through innovative design, created this small-diameter slurry balance Shield TBM. The team not only focused on safety, environmental protection, efficiency, and intelligence, but also innovatively designed several key technological systems. The gate-type trolley to significantly improve the stability and flexibility of the Shield TBM. The functional slurry circulation system to greatly optimize the slurry separation and slag discharge effect. The multi-mode cooling system to ensure the safe operation of equipment under high-load conditions. The multi-joint segment lifting system to enhance transportation efficiency and safety. And the intelligent monitoring and control system to greatly improve operational precision. The successful roll-off of the Hucheng No. 1 Shield TBM not only provides solid technical support for the Hucheng Second Sewage Relocation East Line Pipeline Construction Project, but also signifies the further enhancement of Hucheng Technologies' technical strength in the field of underground engineering equipment manufacturing. In the future, Hucheng Technology will continue to leverage its advantages in the design and manufacture of high-end equipment to support the successful implementation of more key projects and promote the continuous development of the industry.